Somebody tell me who told me, good buddy me, to go to a meat street.
Would you come back?
Stop the cap.
Can't put that on public record.
Never again. I would put it on public record.
A night carnival. And then run a 5K.
Thanks for waiting on me, guys.
All in less than 12 hours.
Natural gal is anywhere in world can get 2-3 gal for in a one night. Man, I ask you. I tell you that.
One fit on stage. One fit on stage. One fit on stage. One fit on stage. Tell Carnival we coming. This is the encore.
Next time, Night Carnival is allowing you to make a choice. You can either stand up where you are right now, or bend over, don't know what you're doing, or you follow this truck and we'll get a nasty on the road until whenever the feel I will go out.
I outside and charming. Deal with them brutal. I go deal with them brutal. All that talk the talking.
She's done. Not off the dance, really and truly. But we are now heading to E-Park. The party was fire, by the way. Let me just point that out. Let me just put that. A little disclaimer. The party was fire. I enjoyed myself completely, utterly, fully. 10 out of 10. Like, we went and we locked off the dance. Okay, so I have my stuff, right? So I'm gonna change real quick. Ugh. Okay. Ow. Jesus. Okay. One. I am pretty proud of myself that I actually pulled it off. Like, okay. 2. Guys, we did it. When we reached, we saw people prepping and stretching, and all I was worried about is I hope I don't run sideways, because I was feeling nice.
I'm tired, wow.
Yeah. I saw the 1K, right? And at that point, I'm questioning every decision I ever made. Then there was 2K. And I'm thinking to myself, who goes from chipping down the road to lacing up for a 5K? The mentally insane. And then by the 3K mark, my body was confused. Keep one foot in front of the other. By 4K, trat, never again. 0 stars. But for real, I'll be back same place next week. Like, I never learned my lesson. Thanks for waiting on me, guys. Let me tell you something, right? Running a 5K is already hard. But running it after you done broke off your back? Crazy. Guess where I am? Careful, girl.
Come on in, bed basket. Come on.
Go your shoulders on though. What are you doing? So muscle. People stay in here for 20 minutes. Yeah, can't do that. If I learned nothing else from this, is that you say yes to the vibes, you say yes to the challenge. And next thing you know, you're doing things that make absolutely no sense on the gram or in real life. And if you ever see somebody running from Carnival Fete straight to the race start line, they're either very dedicated or very mental. And in my case, probably both. Guys, I just end up by Burger King because I was so hungry that the closest place was Burger King. And now I think the adrenaline just got the better of me, and now I'm literally just so tired. So I'm going to go in my house and fall asleep. I just feel it, like I've just been going. I play tennis. I went to Meat Street.
So getting ready for Meat Street. We are tired. And it is now 7, so hopefully we spend like 2 hours there, come back, sleep, and then get ready for night carnival. I'm looking forward to it. Yes. This is my fit. Chat. I couldn't even video that much because we spent most of the time just walking around the place.
If you're nasty, you're not the same color. We know the style.
This is ghetto. 0 out of 10.
And waiting in these really long lines for food. But it is now 23 and I am dying to sleep. We plan to go to night carnival around 12 o'clock. Because it's just looking more and more difficult to do this thing on going from here to here to here to here. So hopefully we will finish in time. Even if the road march is still going on, we're going to leave the road march and go back to the car.
So the party done. We lock off the dance
And then sleep before the race.
Surprisingly, I was supposed to take a nap because now we have like half an hour before the actual race, the gun starts. But I don't really feel tired. I feel like it's the adrenaline working. So I am going to drink my protein shake, have it kind of sort of digest hopefully, and then go outside. I went to the 5K race and I went to the hot box, and now when I'm alone and I finally can like just recoup and relax, I'm so damn tired. It's not even funny. Like my eyes are closing. Like once I parked, my eyes started closing, my legs started saying, yo, it's been great and I am going to sleep. So what I did, I actually took a shower at the hot box. So once I get in my yard, I'm going to literally fall asleep. The sleep is going to be glorious. I'm so looking forward to it.
This is so